Attention please! This model will generate 2 videos on our channel and we are seriously inviting you to watch them both and maybe to debate the subjects proposed by us in regarding. Now, there is a natural problem with this locotype. You can't avoid falling in love for it. And most probably ESU knows about this. As well, most probably that's why instead of being a complete new product, it is just an 85% replay or reload of an old project of them. On all of the last 4 loco models proposed to the public in the last 3 years, ESU started to sell mostly new painted cases with very high volumes factory adjusted for sound packages and for lights intensity. Even this model started first time on the diorama, picked up directly from the box, looks a lot like a Christmas tree and the surround public square music volume and not like a locomotive model. We wonder why ESU is replacing the well simulated in the past realistic look and feel of a loco functionality with a commercial strident package of high intensity sounds and lights. In this aspect, we have noticed based on other YouTube videos that many people were really excited about the appearance of this product and we attributed this to only 2 possible situations, maybe 3. Either they have never had an ESU loco before or they are strongly feel the crisis of new models and new digital projects on the market of the mini trains and that's why this product seems to them to be a great appearance on the H0 segment of 2021. Or perhaps it's just another run for higher YouTube audiences. No matter what is the reality, we consider it as a wrong way of truly presenting digital H0 models. So, to make it presentable in the context of your analysis, you're welcome ESU. First, we reduced the volume of sounds that played that radio broadcasts between the mechanic and the dispatcher that ESU adjusted it to direct strange competition sound level with the platform announcements or even the engine sound. Although there is no realism at all in this sound detail, so much pushed to the customer by the manufacturers like ESU, Pico, Roco and Trix, like the addressed collectors are only kids in between of 5 and 10 years old. Also we have reduced the light intensity for the cabin and the braking sequence as there is 0 chance that such effect will be visible in daylight like the ESU model shows on its first run. Funny thing, in all the YouTube presentations so far, nobody seems to be bothered by this anything else but realistic functionality effect. At least, if you will watch other presentations of this model, you will easily notice that the cabin and braking lights make the illumination of the room itself where the filming is performed to become unnecessary. Yes, we kind of joking here, but it is an interesting fact that ESU does this strange setup on their latest products. It is like the attraction is to be switched from some other details in fact. And these some other details are subject of the second video dedicated to this model.
Von Gleis 101 nach Gleis 2. Jawohl, hab verstanden.
Really nothing new on the sound package, with just some old but not so much proposed in the past digital additive functions like the running with standby or huge load engine sound. As well, we adjusted the rear warning light setup of the double red rows to become more attractive if we are to maintain the sensation of a Christmas tree so much adored by ESU lately. Apart from these aspects, we have the usual ESU setup of a metal body with plastic cabin materials and, surprisingly, a lot of plastic material used for the sidebars instead of metal like ESU used to add on their products in the past. Still no active digitally controlled fan, and we are strongly disagree with who is saying that there was no place for such hardware setup. Smoke generator is missing this time, springed buffers are missing as well, some of the external front and rear details have to be attached like on a second level of Roco or Pico quality products, and this is quite a severe premiere on an ESU new model presentation while the price remain high. As we already said, there is nothing new since the similar platform and digital setup of their older Gravita project model type used here for this, let's call it, new G1000 model. Even so, we dedicated all our passion and skills to make this video presentation, preferring to remain the elegant customers with a high level of expectation and respect for the asked price, hoping that ESU will not ignore this state of mind, sending our present and future expectations back in time 15 years ago. Well, not so well done ESU, but still our best regards. At the end, please do not forget about the second part of this video where we will present much more details in regarding our upset.